been trying. I've been trying a lot lately to get my life balanced. And it seems like the more that I try, the more and more I get weighed down. And the funny thing is the whole concept of balance is what was making me feel that way in the first place.
BAM! Ha! You dumb son of a bitch! You idiot! Oh man, I'm listening. I'm just whooping ass.
Anyway, so I've been riding my bike to get to work. Never mind the fact that it's 10 miles away. Never mind that it's only $8 an hour. But then I'm trying. So I show up and I'm late. Big surprise. So my boss comes out and just starts yelling.
I'm
That's
sorry,
it,
you're done.
gone.
Out. You're
I
fired.
started trying to explain
Out.
myself.
Out.
And
Out the door.
he just cuts
Gone.
me off.
Goodbye.
All your stories are the same. You should know better. Get a car. Set an alarm. Start moving the other direction.
Damn, fool! How are you gonna get a job now? How are you gonna get a car?
What I was talking about earlier, about balance, it means something different to me now.
Good versus evil.
Well, no, I don't think of it as like good versus evil. The night's not trying to fight the day, and the day's not trying to fight the night. They're just moving towards the same thing.
We've been up all night, man. What the hell does that mean?
When we started this game, you were moving towards annihilation, and yet you were still confident.
Hell yeah, I was.
Why?
Because I'm the champ.
Even though there was no sign of a comeback in sight.
I trust in my badassness.
Exactly.
That's it?
That's it, man.
No, that's it. I just won the game.